It is the 2nd of March 2019. We're doing a little bit of work on the Little Red Wagon project, or the sidecar project, I guess, as Lauren has suggested we call it. I'm just going to show you a small board. So this is it's an Arduino clone called Minion, and this is the header that I'm going to be using. I only need one pin on that side. So, and of course, I put that on backwards. So I need the ground pin off of here, and then I need VN D1 through, or D4 through D12, I think is on this side, D13 maybe. Anyway, that's the one I'm going to be using. It is plugging into, this is the cable that it's going to be plugging into. It's conveniently the same number of pins. So this is going to be plugged in, this row will be plugged in here. This one pin will be brought over to this position, and then any other pin that I need I'll bring over. I'll just solder a wire on and bring it over. I'm going to be soldering this row of pins on, and they will, let's pull this out. Okay, so this will be going in like that on this row. This is going to be soldered on like this, and then this pin will be wired over and just plugged into that one pin there. At that point, I'll do a check, strip off the wires that I'm going to be using, and those are going to be soldered onto the control board for the remote control truck. The reason that I'm using this as a holder for doing the soldering is it keeps the everything square and vertical. And I'm just going to, I forgot to turn that on. And I'm going to be soldering just all the way along here, each of the pins. I'm not going to solder this side because I don't want to have the pins sticking out and not plugged into anything. So that's a little bit of what I'm going to do, and I guess we will wrap it up on that one. Stop the audio. I got about 5 minutes here.